Hi, and welcome back to the second part of the introduction to parts of speech. In the previous video we looked at 4 parts of speech: verbs, nouns, pronouns, and adjectives. The 5th part of speech is the adverb. While adjectives give information about nouns and pronouns, adverbs give information about verbs, adjectives, and even other adverbs. Adverbs usually answer questions like when, why, how, in what way, etc. Let's have a look at this example. Yesterday, we drive the car somewhat slowly in a very beautiful street. In this sentence, the first adverb is yesterday. That shows us when the action happened. The action here is drive, that's the verb. The second adverb is slowly. That shows us how the action happened. How did we drive the car? We drive the car slowly. So both yesterday and slowly tell us about the verb. The third adverb is somewhat. This adverb is actually giving us information about another adverb, which is slowly. It answers the question, how slowly did we drive? The fourth adverb is very. This adverb is giving us information about the adjective, beautiful. The 6th part of speech is the preposition. Prepositions are words like in, on, at, by, from, with, before and after. And these words help us to show relationships in time, place and position. For example, I'll see you at school on Monday. There are 2 propositions in this sentence, at and on. At shows us the place, on shows us the time. The 7th part of speech is conjunctions. Conjunctions are words like and, but, or, and because, and they help to connect ideas. For example, John and Peter are best friends. The conjunction here is and it helps to connect John and Peter, both of which are nouns. Conjunctions can connect even sentences. For example, I didn't go to work because I was sick. The conjunction here is because, and it connects 2 clauses. The second clause is the reason, and the first one is the consequence. The last part of speech is the interjection. Interjections are words that have no real meaning, but they help us to show sudden emotion or exclamation. Example: wow, oops, hey, and hi. Alright, so these are the 8 parts of speech. In the next lessons we will look at each one of them in details. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Remember to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next lesson.